We Tokan-en, who have been watching and passing on the tradition of Kyoto with the history of more than 1,000 years, would like to introduce the process of building a stone lantern, known as Ishitoro. Ishitoro with the base is a traditional stone light that has been used in multiple occasions, including shrine rituals. First, we will introduce the parts of the Ishitoro. Bottom stone, jirin. Stem stone, sao. Central stone, chudai. Light spot stone, HIBUKURO. Roof stone, kasa. Top stone, hoju. Following this introduction of the parts, we will introduce the tools, brief process of building a Ishitoro, and detailed process of building a Ishitoro. Tools needed for the installation. Shovel. This is used for digging a hole at where the Ishitoro will be built. Measure. This is used for measuring sizes. Round sling and toe track. This is used for lifting parts of the Ishitoro. Flagstone and rammer. This is used for hardening the ground. Leveler. This is used for measuring if the Ishitoro is perpendicular to the ground. Stones, crowbar, and hammer. This is used in the process of adjusting the angle of Ishitoro. Gunny sack. This prevents damages on the stones and assists carrying the stones. Wood. This makes the process easier by placing them under the Ishitoro beforehand. Make sure to wear a helmet at all times during the process. Now let's watch the brief process of building the Ishitoro. We suggest you to work with 3 or more people. The process will take around 20 to 30 minutes. Let's take a closer look at each process. Choose the best place to build a Ishitoro. Then, measure the diameter of jirin. See if the measured diameter will fit the space. Dig about 10 centimeters. The width should be a little wider than the measured diameter. Fill the ground with flagstones. Then, slightly cover the flagstones with soil. Next, to harden the ground, use a rammer. Set a round sling around the jirin. Using wood would make this process easier. Lift it with the toe track, then slowly place it down. Use a crowbar to remove the round sling. It is perpendicular when the bubble stops at the center. According to the result of the leveler, use a crowbar, a hammer, or stones to adjust the angle. The next process is the installation of a sao. Set a round sling around the sao. Make sure to leave some space between the round slings instead of setting them on the edges. Lift it with the toe track, then slowly place it in the hole of the jirin. Check the angle with the leveler. The next process is the installation of chudai. Set a round sling around the chudai. Then lift it with the tow track. Slowly place it on the sao. Check if the Ishitoro is perpendicular to the ground. The next process is installation of HIBUKURO. Set a round sling around the HIBUKURO. Make sure to set the round sling through inside of the HIBUKURO. Setting the round sling outside of the HIBUKURO may damage the HIBUKURO. Lift it with the tow track. Slowly place it on the chudai. The next process is the installation of a kasa and hoju. Set a round sling around the kasa. Lift it with the tow track. Slowly place the kasa on the HIBUKURO. Lastly, place hoju on the top. Now you have yourself authentic traditional Ishitoro at your garden.